We started Noesis in 2006, teaching modders, indie developers how to use professional tools to create their own games. We've evolved over the years, adding a host new tools and platforms, and launching the design3.com website, which is really the most powerful game development training resource online. Design3 portal is broken down into 3 key areas. We have the training center, where we have our award-winning tools-based video training, including all the various scene files, supplemental materials for consumers, as well as a full detailed curriculum tracks for our education partners, focusing on areas such as Unity fundamentals, advanced scripting, mobile development, and a bunch more.
My name's Dan Miller-Schroeder. I manage the content for Design3. We've got over 100 hours of content right now. We're working on increasing that all the time. We stay in contact with people in the industry and with professors to figure out what people are using and what they should be learning. Our teachers all use what they teach every day in their work. So, for example, we have some material on how to use Unity to create mobile games, and that's taught by an engineer who worked on the engine. We also have like a character artist teaching how to use Maya, and we're going to have some content on sound and music in games, and that'll be taught by composers, musicians, and recording engineers.
Hi, my name is Ben Mears. I am a production lead for Noesis Interactive and Design3. My main job is making sure that the tutorials are at the highest quality level possible. We achieve this through rigorous quality control testing, where we work through the tutorials in the same way that the users would. We look for problems and areas that might be kind of hard to understand, and then we edit around those areas using new video or new audio, or doing whatever we need to make the tutorials even better. After that, we encode the final videos and publish them to the Design3 website.
My name is Joel McCowan, and I am the sales manager and head of the academic liaison team for Noesis Interactive and Design3. And what we do as academic liaisons is to help integrate our Design3 service where it is needed and how it is needed. Every program covering game development will have their individual needs for courseware, and our academic liaisons work with the school to identify those needs and help integrate our service as is needed and with ease. There are a few ways in which we can do this, either by setting the instructor up with our pre-packaged courses along with the course materials that go along with that. We can identify from your existing course how our material would best fit into that. We can make this a required or recommended resource for students and offer educational discounting purchasing options for the students that the instructor can pass on, or we can make this available as a resource in the library for the school.
Another area of the site is actually the Career Corner, where we present interviews and training sessions with a mix of industry veterans and up-and-coming developers, as well as specific Q&A sessions with hiring managers and other reps from big game companies, job boards, bios, the works.
Another thing I'm working on now is outreaching to game developers and really anybody else in the video game industry. We're meeting with them and doing a series of video interviews where we kind of pick their brain about all the different things that go into game design and development that a lot of people don't really know. You know, a lot of people play video games but really have no understanding how they're made. And the purpose of these interviews is to kind of give that inside look into what goes on in actual game design and development.
And the last of those big 3 for us is the community, the Design3 community. We really want to offer a place where developers at all levels with different skills, interests, and ideas can meet, just find each other and collaborate on their projects, get their content out there.
It's really exciting to research all these tools and see what people are doing and inventing to make game design easier or more universal. And it's really fun teaching it too, because I feel like we're facilitating people's creativity. There's all these people with ideas out there, and we get to help them turn those into something real, and that's just really cool.
And throughout each of these services, we really work very closely with our users as well as our industry partners to determine where the trends are heading, what the skills are that are needed to get them there. So as the only current official Unity training partner, we really offer tremendous advantage to these Unity resellers, enabling them to package approved high quality training resources along with the rest of their Unity licenses, including discounts for corporate and academic users.
We also work with corporate clients to set them up with group discounts of our service, or if need be, organize customized training for their specific project. Our goal is to make it as easy as possible to implement a resource that will both help the instructor and student alike.
We work with international distributors as well, localizing content where it makes sense. We feel we have a lot to offer in this space, and it's evolving so rapidly to other areas outside of traditional video games. Spaces like medical research, scientific simulation, architectural visualization, natural interaction, augmented reality, just beyond. So we hope to take a look at some of the features we show here, as well as the websites, noesisinteractive.com, design3.com. Feel free to shoot us an email, give us a call, and we look forward to working with you.